inside the Conversion Pros, it includes an autoresponder. And if I click on the autoresponder, it allows you to build as many lists as you want. It's unlimited. So you can write lists. You could be in multiple different businesses and have one business here and another business here. Or you could be separating your list very easily. So we allow you to build as many autoresponders as you want. You could turn them on and off, inactive, active, etc., etc. So you can do whatever you want there as far as hitting your list. One of the ways to hit a list also is if you hit view, for example, you can set up an entire campaign. So you can write an entire series of messages. You'll be able to see all your stats right here. And then if you click on contacts, you'll actually be able to see every contact that's in that series, which one opened emails, which emails they got, etc., etc. But if you want to create an email series, you can just come up here and hit create new email, and you can write an email, set the delay time, hit save, and write as many as you want. You can have an email series that has 5 emails, 1 email, 1,000 emails. It doesn't matter. You can create an entire series. You can even do this if you're working with somebody, and hold on 1 second here. If you're working with somebody and you could, let's say you wanted to create a series that you wanted everybody to use, you will give you something called a share code. For example, I'm just going to pop one in here. I'm just going to automatically copy it. But you're able to copy codes, and when I go back here to the autoresponder, we'll see there was a new series of emails added, and there was 11 messages in the series. So if I hit view, you'll see there's an entire series of emails here. Now, what if you created a code? See, all of your campaigns next to them will have a share code. And so if I copy the share code right here and I click on new campaign, if someone else signed up in the Conversion Pros and I wanted them to have this series, they would literally just paste that right in this box and hit save now. Oh. And OK. And then when I go back into my campaigns, that opened up, you'll see there's one there called TCP with 11. So it literally copied the same series, allowing them to go in there and edit it. Well, not only can you have an entire message series that goes out, and again, create as many as you want, but you can do as many email broadcasts as you want. We give you email broadcasting, so if I want to hit this whole list, let's say I have a call tonight or a webinar or a new product launch, I could just hit create broadcast, and again, write the broadcast and send it out. Now, if you have a list, you'd have to get credits. See, I have a credit balance here. There's no leads in this file, but it's about 4 cents each. It would let me know what my balance is and how many credits it would cost. And you can get credits from us over here in the financial tab. And I'd be able to also send every person that's in this autoresponder a text. So I can do the regular email series. I can do the regular email. I can do an email broadcast and send it out anytime I want. Or I could do a text message broadcast to any lead, and then see all the contacts. You could create tags and custom tags and all kinds of things here in the campaign too, as well as having as many email autoresponders as you want. Now you can get unlimited opt-ins, so you can get unlimited opt-ins, but if you want to import leads, we do have an import on how many you can import per month. We allow you to import up to 20,000 leads per month. So you can come over here and click on import contacts, drag and drop a CSV file. We do charge a third-party bounce test, which is about 4 cents a lead. And the reason we do that is because there's a lot of bad lists sold out there on the internet. We want to make sure that you want to import good leads and that it doesn't hurt our mailer for the rest of our members. And so that's why we do that. But you can upload up to 20,000 people per month to go out and do, again, email broadcasting, have an email series, or do text marketing to them. And again, this is included inside the Conversion Pros. The whole marketing suite is, free for 14 days and then only $50 a month, $1.61 a day. And I really want you to go compare, and we send out over 45 million emails a day for our customers right now. Great deliverability rate. So if you want to go out there and compare that, go price out what unlimited costs in Aweber. Go price out what unlimited cost in GetResponse or MailChimp or any of the other autoresponders. Go price out what having an unlimited autoresponder would cost, And again, they're not giving you a page builder and a webinar replay tool and a TURL and a QR code builder and a link rotator, all the other tools that we include here inside the Conversion Pros. So that we've had tons of people get rid of that extra bill, paying for an autoresponder they don't need, and use ours instead. So we do have an unlimited autoresponder, and it's very easy to use. It's very easy to set up, and it's very easy to go there. And you can also move leads, by the way, too. It's very easy and fast to move leads. Let me just show you that. Once you import leads, let's say you want to add them to an autoresponder. Let's say I just wanted to add these people into an autoresponder. I can literally just group actions, add to mail campaign, and choose any of my mail campaigns that I have set up and drag and drop them. Or I can do it another way. I could just hit view, either add to mail campaign. So let's say I do that. And again, look at all my mail campaigns. Or if I come in here and I'm actually looking at the lead, I could click on mail campaigns and I could see every single autoresponder campaign that the lead is on. And let's say I wanted to add them to Spanish Travel. So I just click a button, I can add them, or I can remove them. And we make it very easy for you to take leads and add them to one autoresponder or remove them from another autoresponder very, very easily inside our system. So check it out.